Assalamualaikum dan selamat and good afternoon. Okay, today we gonna discuss about Nature Week, right? So I'm gonna introduce myself. I'm Natasha, candidate A, and this is Fatihah, candidate B, and Tira, candidate C, and Diana Alice, is candidate D. So first of all, everyone knows how good it is to have a natural week, because there's a lot of benefits about the natural week. So that we can get like getting a clean environment, have a fresh air, and can stop wasting plastic items like cups, bottle, and others. The activity that have been suggested are organize a tree planting activity, organize a trip to the national parks, organize a camping trip to a forest reserve, and organize recycling days. Okay, for me, I will start with the candidate A. Is me. For me, organize activity, tree planting activity is the best way, because then there's the benefits that we can get from the activities, that we can reduce the gases from the greenhouse and can make the weather more cooler. Also, the tree can help reducing carbon dioxide from the air. And I will pass to candidate B to suggest her statement.
Thank you to candidate B. A, you have a good opinion, but in my opinion, we should go national park. As candidate knows, more than 4,000 national parks across the country to explore. Further capable can go the national park overseas. Benefit to go trip the national park is the fresh air, the national park across home sorry track and ancient archaeology site. While after we will the lodge in the sand or sitting on the couch with soaking up historical sites and more at the national park. That's my opinion.
Okay, thank you, candidate B. Okay, we go to candidate C. What your opinion?
Okay, thank you, candidate B. I think you have a good point, but in my opinion, we should organize camping trip to forest reserve. Example, Air Hitam Forest Reserve. My reason why I think camping trip to the camping trip is the best activity for Nature Week, because first, we can see a beautiful of nature in the forest and many types of animals and trees. It will make us appreciate of our nature. It's because without trees that will be in bad condition, like global warming. As we know, global warming quite dangerous because it will make the iceberg melting and can raise the sea level. Next, my second point is we can have a great time to explore the nature and various science concepts. As we know, science is everywhere. For the example, there's no fire without science. Other than that, we can gain new skills like how to set up the tent, make a meal for camping, and as we know, for the first time camping, will probably fin the nation of doing serious meal planning prior to a camping trip to be a bit easier. The key to planning meal as cooking with camping is to find meals that are healthy and flavor without contain heavy or bulky ingredients. We also can know how to cook in jungle without facility. It will make us independent persons. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate C. Go to candidate D.
Okay, my name is Dina Ilis. I am candidate D. The Our Nature Society of our university is organizing a nature week. Me as member of the society, I want to present about my opinion about the best activity for the week nature. Okay, my point is organize recycling day. Recycling day is one of the most frequently organized campaign in our country. In addition, this day of recycle is also possible in every school. Among the activity for recyclable day are to have day without plastic bag, which are often carried out in all stores. With day without plastic bag, there is less pollution in our environment. In addition, recycled day can also be used to avoid building. For example, on campus, in our campus, we hold a monument competition in honor of the Independence Day, where each material used will consist of recycled materials. That's all my opinion.
Okay, now we all give our statement right now. So we go through the agree and disagreement about our statement. So I will go first. I agree with my statement because they make our world greener and make the environment more convenient because the activities we usually do at our place, like planting a fruit tree, planting a flower tree, flowers and other. So that is my opinion. So we go to candidate B. What's your opinion? Do you agree with my statement or you agree with others?
I agree with candidate A because she point is very good and interesting for me, and she give a good example, and I want to go there.
Okay, that's your opinion, right? Okay, thank you, candidate B. We go to candidate C.
Okay. I think your opinion is good and interesting. It's also cheaper. We can get more experience. So I think all of your opinion is good. So I agree.
Yes, me too. I agree with your opinion.
So everyone, okay, for the conclusion is everyone agree that organize a tree planting activity is the best activity for our nature week. Because they also because this activity can give us a lot of benefits and also can give the benefit to the nature, like can restore the lost or almost extinct species of the trees. So everyone agree, right? Okay. So that is our conclusion. Thank you.